Hey there, fellow DIY enthusiasts. If you're scratching your head over the EC error code on your Electrolux washing machine from 2025, don't worry. We've got you covered. This common issue often signals a problem with the electronic control system, like a sensor glitch or a simple connectivity hiccup. In this video, I'll guide you through a straightforward fix that could save you a service call and get your laundry routine back on track. First things first, safety is key. Always unplug your washing machine before starting any troubleshooting to avoid electrical hazards. Got that? Great, let's dive in. Step 1. Check for obvious issues. Open the door and inspect for any blockages in the drum or drain hose. Sometimes, a stray sock or lint buildup can trigger this error. If everything looks clear, move on to step 2. Reset the machine by unplugging it for at least 5 minutes. This gives the system a chance to clear any temporary glitches. Plug it back in and try running a test cycle. If the error persists, it's time for step 3. Examine the connections. Carefully check the wires and sensors around the control panel. If you're comfortable, gently secure any loose connections, but if you're unsure, it's best to call a pro. Another quick tip. Ensure your machine is level on the floor, as an uneven setup can sometimes cause electronic errors. Once you've done that, run another cycle to see if the error has vanished. If it hasn't, you might need to consult your user manual or contact Electrolux support for model-specific advice. There you have it. That's how you tackle the EC error code on your Electrolux washer. Remember, regular maintenance like cleaning filters and checking hoses can prevent future issues. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more handy home fixes. See you next time.